Got the shop vac set up, ready to put some suction on this conduit. Now that the shop vac's gotten some of that water sucked out of there, getting some good suction on it now. So I got the bag and the pull string, about to feed it in the hole and see if we can get it to the other side. Shop vac sucked up a good bit of water out of that conduit. Looks like it's still coming too. Well, after it decided to fight me for over an hour, I finally got all the water out of the conduit, enough to get the bag sucked through. Got some slack pulled outside on the fiber. Now let's see if I can get it pulled down through the conduit. I got all the cables bundled and service looped in the rack. I will be placing a wall mount fiber panel right here. That's just what they specified for this job, was a wall mount on both sides. I personally would have done a rack mount since we have the rack space, but that wasn't my decision. So I'll be putting the panel here, but first and foremost, let me go ahead and get these Cat 5s terminated and in the patch panel. And this is why I've been excited to try the nano fiber. It's got a very small stainless steel jacket. And then in there you've got your fiber. And this one's a 12-strand fiber. One thing I can say is if I was using standard armored cable, I never would have gotten it through that conduit with as many bends as it made. So this already has been a lifesaver. I look forward to using it so much more going forward.
Tank clip.